Good morning, everybody. It is Dave, and we are live this morning. And yes, I am trying out the new platform again. Hopefully, it's going to work out for us, and we can get some of these chat overlays and some other things happening. So if you're out there, give us a chat. Let us know where you are tuning in from. Say hello. I'm going to go on my phone here as well and make sure. These last few Saturdays, it's been all about uh, trying to get some new equipment to work, and we're trying to up our game. 2021 is going to be an awesome year for us. We got some fun things going. We got some cool sound effects going. I can do explosions. Yeah, we can crowd cheer. So we have a lot of fun things happening these days. So looking forward to bringing this to everybody, and hopefully those chats are popping up. I saw the one I put through came up. So if you are out there and you are tuned in, join us this morning and let's have a brief conversation, because I have to tell you, this whole week has been great conversation. We had Brent McPhail, Brave Control Solutions, talking about automation. That's right, talking about automation in our industry. And not only are we talking about automation in our industry, we're talking about the snowflakes in the industry. That's right. He has a termination of snow. He has a term that he uses, and he calls us a snowflake in some of the things that we do. So you definitely want to check this out. And you also want to know that you will learn that designing with the end in mind. We talked about the automobile industry quite a bit. And one of the things with the automobile industry is when they build a manufacturing facility, they do not build a manufacturing facility after they don't design after they build the manufacturing facility. Let me say that right. What they do is they already know the complete design of their product, their car, their house, whatever it's gonna be. They know it up front, and then they build the factory to produce it in short order. So, always good, to do. Good morning from the Gulf Shores, Alabama. Michael Bruce, good to see you this morning, Michael. We're gonna do a quick rundown this morning. Man, we got a ton of family, and I think we have 1, 2, 3, there are 9 kids outside that door right now, all under the age of 13, 9 of them. So, I apologize now if it gets a little rowdy. Alright, so designing with the end in mind, we're really talking about automation. We're talking about moving the automation forward, so much so that we have the CEO of Howick Ltd., Howick, Cold Form Steel Rolling Machines, on the show this Monday. So put it on your calendar, 1 p.m. Eastern. Howick will be joining us live. All right. So designing with the end in mind, we talk about what exactly is a systems integrator. Systems integrator. Do you hear that much in our industry? Where you're going to start hearing it more, right? Is it DFMA versus the Brave Control approach of DFAMA? Anybody out there know what the AMA is? We all know design for manufacture assembly. We talk about that all the time on this show. But do we know what the other one is? DFAMA. If you know what it stands for, put it up there in the comments, and we'll go with that. We're also going to get started, just so everybody knows. We got 5 free passes to give away to the International Builders Show. That's right, 5 free passes to give away to the International Builders Show coming up over the next few weeks. So if you're gonna join us there and have some fun. And we also are talking about closing the gap between design and manufacturing. Closing the gap between design and manufacturing. Coffee with Dave this morning. Welcome. If you're just tuning in, we are live on LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Twitch. We are live on all of those. So please hit that like and share button. Please, if you don't mind, let us know where you're tuning in from this morning. Say hello. Join us on Coffee with Dave and have some coffee while you're at it, please. All right, moving forward on this conversation today, as we switch back over to this camera right here. We talked about how do we solve repetitive tasks? Can we solve repetitive tasks? If we can, how do we solve repetitive tasks? It's definitely something that we're constantly working on and we should be doing. And how do you do that? How do you solve those repetitive tasks? That's the questions that we're always looking for and trying to go about. with everything that we do. And then the last thing is, can we move the bottom line 10, 20% or even 30% profitability? Can you move the bottom line 10%, 20%, 30%? Well, guess what? We throw 30% of our construction purchases in the garbage. Look at a job site. Look at all the dumpsters. Look how full that dumpster is each and every time. We throw 30% of it away on the job site each and every time. So, if you think of it in that light, you think of it in that light, can you save 30% by using manufacturing, by using um, automation, by designing with the end in mind, by using system integrators, by solving for repetitive tasks? We can. We definitely can. All right. So if you're out there and you're joining us, we appreciate you being here this morning. We also appreciate if you're watching this, if you're not here with us this morning. So for all of you that are out there that watch the show on the weekends, thank you so much. We appreciate it. And all of you that are out there that watch it, the recorded sessions of these, because they are all recorded. They are all recorded all the time on our YouTube channel. So go there and subscribe to davecooper.live. So, Michael Bruce, good morning from the Gulf Shores. What do you got going on in the Gulf Shores this morning, Michael? I bet it's a lot warmer than we're at in Jersey. I think when I went out this morning, it was 38 degrees. 38 degrees. I don't know what it's like in the Gulf Shores, but that's what it is here. Cold. Cold. We're gonna be heading back your way here, Michael, hopefully in the next couple of weeks, so that'll be good as we get the Build It Better Roadshow back on the road. We got Thanksgiving coming up, so the Build It Better Roadshow will be in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania through Thanksgiving, and then the Build It Better Roadshow is gonna be in Alabama, and then the Build It Better Roadshow is gonna be down on the in the Gulf Shores, Florida area. Excuse me. And then the Build It Better Roadshow will be back up in New Jersey for Christmas as we spend some time with some family up here in New Jersey. And then the Build It Better Roadshow goes back west. We're gonna be in California the second week of January, and then we're heading to Switzerland. Anybody wanna go to Switzerland with us? That'd be fun, right? We're taking the show to Switzerland, and we're gonna be traveling with some really great people, and I'm looking forward to it. Uh, I mean, some people that you know from TV and some other influencers on YouTube, and we're gonna be doing our show live. We're gonna be doing our show live from Switzerland, with some other influencers, and I don't know if influencers is right, but TV personalities in the space that I know most of you, if you're in the construction space, you know these people. So it's gonna be a lot of fun, and we are very blessed to have been asked to join these folks while we're out there, you know? Climbing, 51, but climbing, awesome. Oh, climbing something. All right, so let's get into what we have coming up on Monday, and then we're gonna wrap it up from there. Today's gonna be a short show because we got all of our family in, and I wanna spend time with family. Family's important, and that's what weekends are for. So let's talk about Nick Coubre coming on the show Monday. He is our expert interview. He is the CEO of Howick Ltd. And they are looking to change the construction industry that is underperforming in productivity against all others. Are you wondering what parts of the process you can take offsite or just trying to improve on-site efficiency? We will be talking about this on Monday because Howick is shaping the world of construction. Howick is also a world leader in developing, building, and manufacturing roll forming equipment for the construction of light gauge steel framing structures. Why is this a big deal? Lumber's through the roof, steel's through the roof. This is automation, and they're good at it. And this is automation that's transportable. This is automation that can be set up in a manufacturing facility. This is automation that can be set up on a job site. So there's a lot of great things that are coming out of the automation with Howick, and it's gonna be great to have Nick come on the show. They are a leader in this space globally, not just here in the United States. Globally, they're a leader, and we're looking forward to showcasing all that they do here on Dave all that they do here on Dave Cooper Live. So, all right, listen, everybody, we're looking forward to a great week. We're looking forward to a great uh, holiday season, I guess is the best way to say it, right? 'Cause we have Thanksgiving and Christmas coming up and New Year's. What are you guys doing for New Year's? Let us know. And then we're gonna really hit 2022. It's almost weird to say that. 2022 hard and heavy with content. I mean, we are already lining up some of the best shows that we could possibly line up moving forward. We've also, hey, just so everybody knows, we've joined forces. I'm going to put this up here if I can with put it up, Operation Triage. So if you're not familiar with Operation Triage, let me share it here. Let me use the share feature. Get new at the sharing of this new system. Yeah. Oh, sometimes I wonder what my ability is here. Successful at this new platform. Kicks my butt all the time. Oh, you know what? So you guys gotta go check out Operation Triage. This is Operation Triage. You wanna support this is how we can support right here. Let me take off this is Operation Triage. Now Operation Triage, let me see if I can blow that up bigger, is helping veterans, and what's so great about Operation Triage versus all of the other, uh, nonprofits out there is 100% of the proceeds go to the veteran. Nobody, on Operation Triage takes a salary. It's all volunteer, and that's everybody, and I'm gonna drop some big names here. That's everybody from Ted Nugent, Kid Rock, and, now we just brought on Blanco Brown, gonna do the two-step in Cowboy, Blanco. So we have a lot of great things happening. We got a lot of support. Operation Triage, if you wanna take a look at it, holidays are a tough time for soldiers, Vietnam vets, Afghanistan, Iraq, Desert Storm, Korea, you name it, Panama. There's a lot of soldiers out there that need the help, and we're out there, doing it for them. So, with that said, check out Operation, Triage, and you're gonna be seeing a lot more of this as we build some houses, we renovate some houses, or we just find them the help that they need. That's where the word triage comes from. So, and that over on the left-hand side is Mr. Matt Belcher. Sits on the Building Systems, Council as a board of trustee. He's been in this industry a long time, and he's got a heart of gold, and, you're gonna see a lot more from, Matt Belcher, in the future as well. Alright, so with that said, everyone, we're gonna wrap the show right here. It looks like the, chats are coming in from all over the place, so I'm looking forward to continuing, trying this new platform, and oh, check that out. I didn't know I could even do that or that. Oh, how about that? How about that? Super cool. All right, everybody. Listen, thanks so much for watching today. I hope everybody has a wonderful, wonderful day. I hope you enjoy your family because that's what I'm getting ready to do. And we will see you on Monday with Howick. That's right. The CEO of Howick is going to be on our show Monday. Nick Fugray. Join us. Do not miss it. It's going to be a great show, and we're looking forward to bringing it to you here on Dave Cooper